Let's try moving the ankles. Here, I'll be explaining about the various ankle manipulation modes and manipulation with IK and FK. I'll be explaining with version 2.3 of the user interface. I've displayed the model. There are 3 ways to manipulate the ankles. The first is the ankle axis mode. In this mode, the ankle can be rotated around the malleolar bones on the ankle. The movement will be like this. As it will be rotated around the malleolar bones, if the foot starts on the ground, it will be rotated into the ground. Therefore, this mode is best suited to situations when the foot is in the air. The next mode is the toe axis mode. This allows for rotation of the toes. The movement will be like this. This mode only works in IK. The third mode is standing on toes mode. In this mode, the toes will be moved until eventually it prompts the model to stand on its toes. You can also use it to stand on heels. This mode is useful for stretching or ballet dancing, etc. The movement is like this. This feature is exclusive to IK. Now, I'll explain how to manipulate it. Let's look at the panel. First, I'll explain about the ankle axis mode. We can choose the ankle axis mode from the panel. Select the left side of the body, wrist, ankle, body button. After doing this, a sub-menu will appear. Select ankle. Next, rotate it in the Euler rotation window. Now, I will explain about the toe axis mode. To enter this mode, enter 3D view and select the dedicated IK foot bone. Select the left foot dedicated IK bone in the 3D view. You can then rotate it in the Euler rotation window. Finally, I'll explain about the standing on toes mode. We can select it from the panel. Let's have it stand on the toes of the left foot. Select the left side of the body's wrist, ankle, body button. A submenu will appear. Select toes heel. Next, rotate in the Euler rotation window. Rotate it towards the positive values. Rotating towards positive values will make the model standing on its toes. Rotating even further will make the model stand on its tiptoes. Now, let's try moving it towards negative values. This will make the model stand on its heels. This is all the explanation about rotating the heels. Thank you for watching.